This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Drive belt replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering column. Lift the hood safety latch. Raise the hood and support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable nut from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. To remove the air conditioning compressor belt, loosen the air conditioning tensioner pulley lock nut. Turn the AC tensioner bolt counterclockwise to loosen the belt tension. Remove the AC belt from the pulleys. To remove the water pump and power steering pump belt, loosen the power steering water pump belt tensioner pulley lock nut. Turn the tensioner bolt counterclockwise to loosen the belt tension. Remove the power steering water pump belt. To remove the alternator belt, loosen the alternator adjuster locking bolt. Loosen the alternator upper pivot mounting bolt. Turn the alternator tensioner bolt counterclockwise several turns. Pull down on the alternator until there is slack in the drive belt. Remove the alternator belt. Drive belt installation. Before installing the belts, check that all the pulleys and their grooves are in satisfactory condition. Use a small pick to remove any debris that may be lodged between the grooves if necessary. Install the new alternator belt, fitting it evenly into pulley grooves. Make sure you route the belt under the timing marker. You can't see it from the bottom side. You'll have to feel for it and make sure the belt is under the timing marker. Tighten the alternator adjustment bolt until the correct belt tension is reached. A good check for belt tension is to measure the distance between pulleys to determine the amount of deflection. By knowing the distance between pulleys, the actual deflection can be calculated. This method also applies to the remaining belts. Tighten the adjuster locking bolt. Tighten the alternator pivot bolt. Install the power steering and water pump belt evenly into the pulley grooves. Turn the tensioner bolt clockwise until the correct belt tension has been reached. Tighten the tensioner lock nut on the pulley. Install the air conditioner belt evenly into the pulley grooves. Tighten the AC belt tensioner bolt until the correct belt tension has been reached. Tighten the tensioner lock nut on the AC pulley. Here is the drive belt routing for this 3.3-liter V6 model. Checking the correct belt tension. The tension of each belt is checked by pushing on it at a distance halfway between the pulleys. Apply about 10 pounds of force with your thumb and see how much the belt moves down or deflects. Measure the deflection with a ruler. The belt should deflect about a 1/4 inch if the distance between pulleys is between 7 to 11 inches and around a 1/2 inch if the distance is between 12 to 16 inches. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.